If you like the mountains
and a little bit of history
and hot water,
we're your gals.
Hi, we're the Letter Ladies.
We hike hillside letters.
And we soak in hot springs. Hope you'll join us. So here we are once again at a letter with our drone, which I just have to tell you was only $89. And we talk about it like it was something really big and expensive, but it wasn't. We're gonna give it a shot, see if it will sync up and actually fly. So Dr. Renee is working on it right now. So it's exciting. I'll bring you back on when it's actually up in the air. You can't do any damage, Renee. I'm excited.
Oh, that wind, just, I swear, it's blowing really hard right now.
I know it is kind of kicking up. It's pretty exciting. It's okay. If this drone disappears, it's probably a relief. We should be thankful. Oh. Okay, Renee has the very evil drone up in the sky. There, where is she? Oh, there she is. And there's our drone. Maybe she'll get a picture of us. It's hard to say. Good work, Renee! You did it! You did it, Renee! No! It went up, it went down. Renee did it. Nice work. Amazing.
Not sending pictures of the crane.
No, but you took a picture. Very cool.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Instagram.
We're funny.